The Farmland Preservation Program is comprised of four individual pieces: farmland preservation plans, farmland preservation zoning ordinances, agricultural enterprise areas or AEAs, and purchase of agricultural conservation easements or PACE. This short tutorial will cover the Farmland Preservation Plan, explaining what a plan is as well as the benefits of completing one. The Farmland Preservation Plan is the foundation of the Farmland Preservation Program. It is an opportunity for a county to ensure that there is a place for agriculture in the county's future. Land that is located in a Farmland Preservation Plan area is expected to remain in agricultural use for the foreseeable future. That land is also available to participate in other parts of the Farmland Preservation Program, such as farmland preservation zoning and agricultural enterprise areas. Most counties have had farmland preservation plans since the early 1980s. Many of these plans have not been updated since that time and are consequently largely out of date and not representative of current land use in the county. In 2009, the Farmland Preservation Law changed to require all counties to update their farmland preservation plan. Since that time, over 30 counties have updated their plans. Another 42 are scheduled to expire before December 31st, 2017. To update a farmland preservation plan, the statutes require that the county include the following: trends, plans, and needs that may affect farmland preservation and agricultural development. This includes such things as housing, population, municipal expansion, and transportation. Current agricultural land uses, including agricultural specialties. Key agricultural resources, including land, soil, and water. Key agricultural infrastructure. Significant trends related to agricultural land use, production, enterprises, and conversion to other uses. Goals for agricultural development. Anticipated changes in production, processing, supply, and distribution. Actions that the county will take to preserve farmland and promote agricultural development. Policies and strategies to increase housing density outside of the farmland preservation area. The Farmland Preservation Plan must also include a map showing the areas in the county that are planned to remain in agricultural use. These areas can include open space areas, but may not include any areas planned for non-agricultural use within the next 15 years. If there is a comprehensive plan in the county, the department will compare the Farmland Preservation Plan map to the future land use map and the comprehensive plan to make sure that no land is planned for non-residential development in the future land use map that is also planned for farmland preservation on the Farmland Preservation Plan map. The Farmland Preservation Plan area is identified based on a rationale developed by the county. The criteria used for determining the rationale should generally be based on characteristics of the land itself and not primarily on landowner preferences to participate in the program. Often counties will look at current and historical land use patterns, proximity to agricultural infrastructure, and soils. By basing the plan area on such criteria, the plan area is often comprised of blocks of farmland. Large blocks can help ensure that agricultural operations remain viable in the future, preventing conflicting uses from locating next to each other. There are no land use controls associated with the location of land in a farmland preservation area. However, only landowners with land located in the farmland preservation area are eligible to participate in other farmland preservation programs, including AEAs and zoning. If you have further questions, feel free to contact us at datcapworkinglands@wisconsin.gov or at 608-224-4604. Thanks for listening.